let's look how Marts and Paula will show us slow foxtrot choreography with teaching count. And slow, quick, 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 slow and quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow and quick, slow, 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 quick, quick. Very good. Let's look once again from opposite direction. And slow, quick, 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 slow and quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow and quick, slow, 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 quick, quick. And now let's look at the same slow foxtrot choreography, but this time in slow motion. So we take close hold. Now we achieve promenade position. And we start with hover cross from promenade position. With nice line into corner. We continue with Fallaway reverse and slip pivot. Then reverse wave. Notice lady's heel turn here. And now pull step for man and then a rumba cross. And we continue with a right lunge for slows. And we finish with checked natural turn and reverse pivot. Very good. Let's look once again from opposite direction, and this time we will focus on direction of movement. We take close hold and then we achieve promenade position, ready to move diagonally to wall. And also into corner. Nice line there. We continue moving diagonally to center with Fallaway reverse and slip pivot. We continue diagonally to wall with reverse wave. From here we dance heel pull for man in same direction and a rumba cross. And diagonally to wall we dance right lunge for slows. And then diagonally to center we dance checked natural and reverse pivot, ready to move diagonally to center. Let's thank our wonderful demonstrators Marts and Paula. And special thanks to my patrons on Patreon. Because of your love and your support I can continue to produce free dance videos on YouTube and Facebook. Thank you. And today I ask also you to consider joining us on Patreon and have early access to all my new videos and have personal advice from me from Egils Smagris. I hope you enjoyed this video, thanks for watching and see you in the next dance videos.